Hello guys, it's day 3 now, I think. It's a day three, and this is the second day of academic training, and the morning session was already done, and we've got like an hour and a half break, and we are trying to demolish all these weird things that we found yesterday. For example, that's it. It's a cucumber flavored crisps, and it's weird. Kate is not sure about it, but I absolutely love it. It's almost like having potato crisps with actual cucumber taste. It tastes like cucumber, like that's it. It's amazing. But I think my favorite is this one. Ta-da! These garlic peas. Garlic pieces. The only problem what I just face with China and with like literally everything else, that you take them out and it's just more little packages. So if you want to be like really environmental and avoid using the plastic, well, it's difficult. It's very difficult. Like look at this. We've just started eating and there's like plastic everywhere. So that's very difficult. And also the other thing is that like you are not really, I mean, you're not really supposed to drink the tap water. So which means that you just buy loads of bottled water, which is also just loads of extra bottles and plastic. So even Katie pointed it out yesterday that before we came here, we probably used, like in the last 8 months, probably we used just as many plastic bottles as we used here in the last 2 days or 3 days. So it's crazy. Right, what do you think about the plastic waste? Well, it's a lot. Actually, the pig sounds like me. Come on, pig. Try to pick up your own voice. Alright. Right, eat something, pig. So pig got this weird rice and peanut bar. Rice and peanut bar. How do you think about this?
It's a lot of plastic, Lars.
But is it delicious?
Yes, it's very delicious, Lars.
Yeah.
I was told that in the school I need to sing. So I'm already trying to set up like a nice little song. Compose the songs. Big, coming in a week. Big,
Pull a nicey face, nicey. Angel Katie. Right, it's good news, guys. Look at this. The bag has arrived. Yes, and the good thing is that there's everything in the bag.
Good morning.
Right, going to the school now, which is gonna be fun.
Not to get run over.
Oh. Doesn't look like a taxi, does it? Wah. It's a kind of taxi, Katie. Oh. It's an electric taxi. Or
What's his name? Oh, that shoe.
what?
What is that? What
Hello.
That shoe
My name is Pig.
Pig. Is Pig going to be in class with
What
you?
is your name?
Jay. Jay.
Hello, Jay.
Hello, Pig.
Hello, Pig. Hello. Nice to meet you.
Is Pig going to be in your class with you?
New friend. Yes, the pig's gonna be in the classroom.
Oh, yes.
Because the pig, because kids like the pig.
Well, you've hired the best.
Right, this is the school.
Hello.
The best, you know. Hiya. Hello. Wow. This is awesome.
Especially that bit, that makes it like the beastly. You know, that whole,
Amazing. What do you think, Kate?
Cool, man. You can go down the slide instead of the stairs every day.
Wow. Ah, there's the PE classroom there.
What? The slide?
There, no, there's like a gym or something. Sports hall, yeah. It's amazing. Wow. Library. What do you think, Kate?
Yep. It's crazy good.
Crazy good school. I'm gonna go to see the science lab in a minute.
Look at that.
This is a science classroom. Wow.
It's very warm.
It is very warm. But it's good. Right, we've just been in the bank, and like we spent there like almost 2 hours, and we got our bank accounts set up, and we got bank cards, and Alipay is set up now. So yeah, technically all done, I think, and yeah, we are absolutely knackered. Just look at Katie. The funniest bit is like
like nothing as well today. So
yeah, we are absolutely dying. It's a good job that like it's like 3 o'clock, so we can go back now and we can just use the rest of the day. Use the rest of the day for chilling, because that's this is what we need. No, it's counting back like no. Dang, let's go. The funny bit is that as we were like leaving, there were like loads of like riot police behind us. And like really many, because, and the only reason is that that way. The only reason is because there was one lad like making a tantrum in the bank, and they just turned up and they were like sorting the shit out. It's just crazy, man, when you see them. Right, we are going home now, going back to the hotel.